Well, good evening, everybody. I didn't film anything today, but I did get quite a bit done. I am in the new van, the tall one, and what I did was, well, here, let me switch around. Can't really see anything because I didn't get any lights put in, but I did get my bed put in here. Do my doggy. Anyway, under the bed, I got my batteries and inverter connected, and put the charge controller on the wall over here. Just for now, it's temporary. I'll figure more stuff out as I go along. But I have power in the new van. And of course, I had to put a TV up. But it's getting later in the evening, so it's time to relax. Have me a cold drink and some dinner. Dinner, first night in the van. Dinner tonight is some chicken nuggets and pork and beans. Simple but good. Anyway, the place is still a mess. I got stuff everywhere. Bunch of empty boxes. And, you know, like I said, the place is a mess. But it's a work in progress. I've got electricity. I've got bed. And I'm going to go ahead and just start staying in it as I build it. I'm taking some things out of my other van. I'll be taking a few things that are in there. I think I'm going to use the fridge and such. But that van probably going to go up for sale pretty soon. I will leave the solar panel on it and the batteries in there. It's going to have a basic electrical system, but other than that, I'm probably going to use pretty much everything else. Anyway, I'm going to sell some food down my neck and watch a little bit of YouTube. I hope everyone has a wonderful evening. And to those of you out there who look at this place and think, what a mess, keep in mind, this is my first night. And that's why I'm so excited. Everybody remembers the first night in the van. Anyway, I hope everybody has a wonderful evening. Stay tuned for more later. Happy trails.